Hi, good evening. Today we will be discussing the strategy to do microeconomics for IIT JAM 2023 paper. Okay, now let us divide our microeconomics in multiple parts. The first one is consumer theory. बहुत ध्यान से समझना है, सब कुछ पढ़ने का टाइम नहीं है, रिवाइज करने का टाइम नहीं है. सबसे पहले अपने सारे के सारे मार्शेलियन डिमांड फंक्शंस को लिख लो. राइट डाउन व्हाट इज एक्स स्टार वाई स्टार फॉर कॉप-डॉगलस, फॉर min फंक्शन, फॉर max फंक्शन, फॉर perfect substitute, for complementary goods. You should know all the Marshallian demand functions. Secondly, you should know how to find substitution effect, income effect. ठीक है. Third, एक क्वेश्चन warp and SAR पे it may come, so you should be very clear with warp and SAR. I think indexes are important, so just do index price indices also. This is the first thing. Marshallian demand functions को समझो एक बारी. Find out how do we find Marshallian demand in different cases. Find out their properties very well. So जैसे for example, if today I ask you that I have a Cobb-Douglas function given x square y cube and I ask you find elasticity of demand. कुछ नहीं दिया. You should know you have to use expenditure method. You should know that the share of income spent on good x and good y remains unchanged when prices change. मतलब elasticity of demand is 1. So properties को thoroughly. What is the angel aggregation, pool node aggregation, एक बारी के लिए do the properties. 2 दिन में revise consumer theory, not more than that. Then second, theory of production पे आओ, production and cost. Short run long run को clear करो. What should be the short run function? कि short run में I just want to cover my variable cost in competitive. Long run, I want to cover my average total cost. What are these conditions? Even if a perfectly competitive firm has 0 profits, how will it do profit maximization? P equal to MC condition. So be very clear with all these conditions. एक भी condition गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. Do these conditions very, 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 very well. Short run, long run, cost curves, AVC, AFC, how do they look? All of that should be clear to you. That's it. अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन ऑन होमोथेटिक प्रेफरेंसेस में भी और यहाँ पे भी होमोथेटिक फंक्शंस वर्सेस होमोजेनस फंक्शंस. एक बारी इसको बहुत क्लियरली इट शुड बी क्लियर इन योर माइंड. एंड रिटर्न्स टू स्केल, दिस शुड ऑल्सो बी वेरी क्लियर. Although we have been doing many questions in the mock test now on returns to scale, still it's important. You have to practice it. Then third comes general equilibrium and welfare. Again, जितने भी use cases हमने किए हैं with square and rectangular Edgeworth box, एक बारी Edgeworth box को 2,2 endowments के साथ लो, एक बारी 2,3 endowments के साथ लो. Whatever Edgeworth box you can do, square and rectangular for different ICs. अलग-अलग combination. We have done literally multiple, I think so more than 20 examples we have done. Cobb-Douglas plus Cobb-Douglas, Cobb-Douglas plus substitute, substitute plus substitute, complementary plus complementary, Cobb-Douglas plus complementary. Whatever possible examples are there, do all of those. हर एक में find competitive equilibrium price ratio, find the Pareto efficient solution, contract curve equation, very, very important. Contract curve equation, Pareto efficient solution. This is contract curve. Huh? Okay. अच्छा, first welfare theorem plus second welfare theorem को एक बार ही अच्छे से देख लेना. I am thinking an MSQ will come on it. Multiple select question में it will come. Okay. Then next, market structure. So first of all, we have to focus on monopoly. Monopoly में first degree, second degree, third degree price discrimination. Again, I am filling a lot of these questions in the mock test, as you know. Then you have to focus on monopolistic. एक ही क्लास इसके लिए काफी है. वो 1 घंटा जो मैंने 45 minutes में पूरा रिकॉर्ड किया है, more than enough. If people have not taken the course, then monopolistic is to be done from the book. You can do it from any book. Even if you do it from ManQ, it is fine. Nothing, not a lot will come in monopolistic. Only basic things should be known to you. And finally, oligopoly. Oligopoly में, especially when it comes to the Cournot model, इसमें please n firm case कर लेना. इसमें प्लीज ये भी कर लेना. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव टॉट यू ना, n फर्म में ईच विल सेल क्वांटिटी इक्वल टू a minus c upon n plus 1. Then please do different marginal cost case when firms have different MCs. Then similarly do a case of collusion. What if there are just 2 firms but they collude? They will act as monopoly. वो वाला केस. बर्टरिंग में 2 केसेस हैं, एक डिस्क्रीट, एक कंटिन्यूअस प्राइजेस का. डिस्क्रीट प्राइजेस में प्लीज डू व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन द मार्जिनल कॉस्ट्स आर सेम एंड व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन एमसीज आर डिफरेंट. जो बोल रही हूं उतना ही पढ़ लो, दैट्स फाइन. कंटिन्यूअस में सेम, व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन एमसीज आर सेम. नैश इक्विलिब्रियम क्या होगा, व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन एमसीज आर डिफरेंट. That's it. Come to the next part. Then come to game theory. Game theory में do simultaneous, sequential games and mixed strategy Nash. Backward induction पे एक question practice कर लेना. We have done these in mock test. Game theory, this much is fine. Then very less chance that iterative game will come. I have given you some questions in the mock test, but not required. Okay, it very less chance that it will come. Achha, next we have public goods and market failure. इसको 3 parts में हम dividing. हर एक का एक question has to be done. वही करना है और कुछ नहीं करना. The first thing is you will do a question on externalities. When I say externalities, you should know private marginal cost plus external cost is social marginal cost. It has to be equated to social marginal benefit, which is private marginal benefit plus external benefit. एक ये. दूसरा, you should know how to calculate Pigovian tax subsidy. Third, you should go ahead and know the properties of public goods, non-rivalrous properties of public good, non-excludable and non-rivalrous. Fourth, you should be able to do questions with asymmetric information. इसमें 2 ही 3 तरीके की क्वेश्चन है, वो लेमन मार्केट कर लो बस, that's it. अच्छा, one very important topic I missed, which definitely comes in IIT. It's their favorite, uncertainty. So other than this, just do uncertainty also. इसमें सब कुछ करना है. What is risk averse, risk lover, risk neutral, how to calculate risk premium, what is actuarially fair risk premium, actuarially fair insurance. All of this has to be done. Nothing can be left, nothing at all. And isme just know the difference between adverse selection versus moral hazard also. This is your revision for microeconomics. I will meet you in the revision classes also. 2 to 3 marathon classes we will be keeping. But for that, till then, just revise microeconomics, do all your mock tests on time, and best of luck for the exam.